Now, what are the principles of leadership? First is to know yourself and seek self improvement. So, in order to know yourself, you have to understand your be, know, and do attributes. So, self improvement means continually strengthening your attributes. So, it can be accomplished by self study, formal cases, reflection, and interacting with others. Second is be technically proficient. As a leader, you must know your job and you have to be solid for familiarity with your employees' tasks. Third, seek responsibility and take responsibility for your actions. Search for the ways to guide your organization to the new heights, and when things go wrong, as it often tend to do sooner or later, do not blame on others. Analyze the situation, take corrective action, and move ahead. Make sound and timely decision. So use the good problem solving, decision making, and planning tools. So next is set the example. So be a good role model for your employees. They must not be the only hear what they are expected to do, but also see. So we must become the change we want to see, as by Mahatma Gandhi. So, know your people and look out for the well being. Know the human nature and the importance of sincerely caring of your workers. See, if you are not caring about your workers and if you are pressurizing by rules and rule, nothing, any kind of advantages has been given to the workers, so they are not slave, they are not slave, there are so many opportunities for the people. सो समटाइम्स हैपन्स कि अच्छे लोग जो है किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन से इसीलिए निकल जाते हैं बिकॉज दे डोंट वांट टू बी सराउंडेड बाय नेगेटिव एंड टॉक्सिसिटी लीडर. सो बेटर है कि if the people admire you, you have to also think about them there also. So keep your workers informed, know how to communicate with not only them but also seniors and other key people. Develop a response of sensibility in your worker, and good character traits will also help in the professional upliftment. So be have a ethical models. Ensure that the tasks are understood, supervised, and accomplished. Tasks can be understood, supervised, and accomplished by a healthy communication. By a communication that is effective in both of the ways. What has been communicated has been delivered, and what has been delivered has been reported. So there is attributes of leadership. So be no do, be a professional of good character. Know the four factors of the leadership: follower, leader, communication situation. Know yourself, strength and weakness of your character, knowledge and skills. Know your human nature, human needs, emotions, and how people respond to your stress. Know your job, what you have to train others. Know your organization, to provide direction, do implement, communicating, coordinating, supervising, evaluating, and do motivate. Of course, there is a much need of motivation nowadays. People are getting depressed over their job or their unhealthy routine. Everybody is busy in their own work. So, of course, we need to motivate people, we need to understand people, we need to support people. So, this is all about what we want to say about leadership. So, that's for the today's that is leadership. And next we will study the various environment affecting the leadership.